Okay, so LTSNELPKENRRSAVYOG. So Spirit's saying that, let me see here. I have save, go, savvy. Actually, is savvy with two V's? I think savvy is with two V's. Yeah. NLP, neuro-linguistics programming. Watch out for that with whatever organization you're in, including, spiritual realm. I saw somebody come back into my space. I'm going to have to tell you. Is it okay that I call her out? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do this. Okay? I think this is the 7th person that I'm calling out because it's extreme bullshit. It's time to call it out. There's obviously reason to like the connection to this. It's Melanie Beckler. Look her up on like angel numbers and downloads and stuff on YouTube. She crept up into my space and just at random after, all of the recent divinations. People are so effing greedy with energy. It's not curiosity. No, she's one of like the league of many I could name off. But since she crept up into my space, I gotta say something. Because, if it comes through visually, guess what, what else comes through, So, look her up. You'll see. All right. Talk about like a tinge of toxic positivity. I'm hearing like a depository. There's something like, something's up with that. I normally like give people a chance and like, no. Things are not always what they seem. Okay, I see scent. Sail. Skate. Snape. Slave. Rake. Okay, so names. Let's just go to names real quick. I'm told to look at names. Ken. Ron. They want to stay hidden. See, they want to stay hidden. Okay, I'm gonna put these up. I'm gonna just because I think it's like all over the place. We have Lent. It's like Lent's a time where you forego, like sacrifice something that you like for weeks, and then some preparation for the coming of Christ, resurrection, etc. 40 days, 40 nights. Okay, so let's see. Spirit, which names do you want me to call out here? Oh, I also see Easter. Yeah. Okay. Again, Ostara, like the implications of Ostara. Oh my gosh, I see Ostara here too. What? Okay, let's just do that, okay? Hold on, wait. No. We can't get distracted here. We're supposed to call out some of the names here. Gave. Gravy. It's all gravy, baby. That's what Spirit's saying. Spent. Okay. Like maybe we might feel like a little exhausted, you know? But that's after good days of work. Like when you say like, oh, I'm spent, that means like you did good. Okay. Um, Sorry, give me a sec. You see? That's what we got there. And now, now that this reading is officially over, I thank all my supporters, all my sponsors. Certainly appreciated. Our guides appreciate it. I know. Why? What? How do you think I get all this information anyway? they're nice to me. I'm nice to them. There's mutual respect. It's good. We have the same MO. You know, of the highest wisdom, of the highest good. I'm not just getting like anybody here. So, anyway, thank you so very much. And upon closing all portals, I send all energies back. I send them all back with their appropriate karma, enlightened love. I close all portals now.